So, Google VO3 is a really cool tool that a lot of people are really interested in right now. And you might be trying to figure out exactly how you can use VO. Now, the main way to go ahead and use it is by going through and subscribing to their, basically their Google AI Ultra option. Now, with AI Pro, you do get VO2 access, right? But if you're trying to get VO3 access, as of right now, that really only comes out in Google AI Ultra, this one. So, number one, you're going to have to go through and basically buy the Google AI Ultra option. So, it's $125 a month for 3 months if you go buy it through this option. I guess they're having a deal. And then after doing that, you're going to be able to get access to this Flow application, this Flow option through them, which has VO3 built in inside. So let's say you already have this, like how do you access VO3? Well, in that case, what you can do is you can go to either what I'd recommend doing actually is just basically Googling VO3 like this, and you'll be able to see the VO option come up like this. So go to, either that or you can go to deepmind.google/models/VO, and then you can click try in flow. And then you're going to be able to come into this page. What you're going to want to do here is you want to click create with flow, and then this next page is going to come up. So now what you can do is you can go through and you can click on either new project right here, or you can open up an existing project. And it tells you right here you have to be a Google AI subscriber to generate. So then what we can do is click here and you can start typing in the video that you want to go and turn it into text. So if I want to type in like, make a video on how to use VO3, for example, it's not going to give it to me because I'm not a subscriber to it, but it will allow you to go and do it. And that's pretty much how you can do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.